my grandfather, Emmanuel, he likes inserting a few of his all-time favorite Yiddish phrases. Now and then, he loves to say "Tzuras mit kreplach." Like tzuras means worries or woes, and kreplach are dumplings. So he likes to say "Tzuras mit kreplach," and then he pauses and he adds another sentence, "Kto здесь Shames Dimenstein?" Like, who is Shames Dimenstein here? So that's his favorite thing. "Tzuras mit kreplach, kto здесь Shames Dimenstein?" Yeah, that's a little line that he loves. And he says that his mother, Adele, used to say, like, "amushal kabak," when she meant to say, like, what rubbish, what are you talking about? She would say "amushal kabak." And yeah, a lot of my older family members just remember some words like "meshugene," "azochen vei." Like, "azochen vei" is interesting because it's very common among Russian-speaking Jews. They would say "azochen vei," and they make it sound the way I say it, like as a smooth phrase, "azochen vei," but it's really "az och en vei." Like, as "och" is just a little exclamation, "och," and "vei" is like "vei is mir," "vei." And that little "n" is from "un," like from "and," so "as ochen vei." Yeah, "as ochen vei."